Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Janil. In this session, we are going to discuss bug life cycle and tools. This is a part of Playwright series. What is a bug? A bug or a defect is a mismatch between expected and actual application behavior. So bug is the difference or mismatch between expected and actual application behavior. Example, let's say user should log in successfully. Expected is user should log in successfully. But actual is application crashes after login. So that means this is a defect or bug. What is bug life cycle? Definition is bug life cycle describes the journey of a defect from identification to closure. So when it is identified until closure. Bug life cycle flow. Okay. First it will be new. When it is identified, it will be new. Then it will be assigned to someone. Then it will open. Then it will be fixed. Then it will be retest. Then it will be closed. Okay, these are the bug life cycle. New, assigned, open, fixed, retest, and closed. So bug status. New, tester logs defect. So when the status is new, that time tester logs the defect. Assigned, that is it will be assigned to developer. Open, developer analyzing defect. Fixed, developer fixes defect. Retest, tester validates fix. Closed, when defect verified and closed. So these are the different status and the respective meaning of bug status. Along with that, there are some additional bug status like reopen. Let's say it was kind of developer told that it is fixed, but after retest it was found that still the bug exists. So that time it will be reopened and defects still exist. Deferred, fixed, postponed. Let's say there is some scenario where the defect priority is less. So in that case what happens? That will be postponed and it will be fixed in next. It will be fixed in, let's say, next upcoming or in future sprints. So that time it will be deferred. Duplicate, let's say same defects already exist. Same defect already exists and you are trying to create another defect on this. So this will be a duplicate defect. Rejected, not considered defect. You have logged it as a defect, but it is not an actual defect. So that time it will be rejected. Cannot reproduce, so developer unable to reproduce. Okay, that means you have, let's say, raised a defect, but developer is unable to reproduce that defect. He is unable to find what is the defect. So that is cannot reproduce. So consider a real-time example. Let's say login bug. Scenario, let's say login button not working. Okay. Suppose login button not working. So in that case, what I will do? Lifecycle tester logs bug, assigned to developer, developer fixes issue, tester retests, and bug closed. Okay. So basically tester logs bug, assigned to developer, developer fixes issue, tester retests, and bug is closed. Bug severity versus priority. Okay, what is the difference between bug severity versus priority? So severity means impact on application. Severity is impact on application. And priority is urgency to fix. So severity is impact on application, priority is urgency to fix. Example, issue, severity and priority. Let's say app crash. Suppose issue is app crash. So severity is high, priority is high. Issue typo in UI. Severity is low, priority is medium. Okay. Types of severity and its meaning. Severity is critical, meaning system crash or data loss. System crash or data loss. Okay, that time the severity will be critical. Suppose severity is high, that means major functionality broken. Okay, when severity is high, that time major functionality is broken. When severity is medium, partial functionality issue. And when severity is low, minor UI issue. Okay. The next question is, what is JIRA? JIRA is a popular bug tracking, agile project management and sprint management tool. What is JIRA? JIRA is a popular bug tracking, agile project management and sprint management tool developed by Atlassian. So JIRA is developed by Atlassian. What are the features of JIRA? JIRA features: defect tracking, sprint planning, user story management, dashboard or reporting, agile workflow management. Okay, these are the features of JIRA. That is defect tracking, it will track the defect. Sprint planning, in sprint planning it will be useful. User story management, dashboard or reporting, agile workflow management. So these are the things where JIRA is used. Then JIRA workflow: create story or task, assign sprint, execute testing, log defect, track resolution. Then important JIRA concepts. Concept epic, that is large feature. Epic means large feature. Story means business requirement. Task means work item. Bug means defect. Sprint means agile iteration. So these are the meanings of JIRA concepts. So epic. Epic means large feature. Epic is a large feature. Story means business requirement. Task is work item. Bug is defect. Sprint is agile iteration. Okay. Then a real-time agile example. Sprint. Online payment feature. Suppose the feature is online payment feature. What are the JIRA usage? Storage created, tasks assigned, defects logged, sprint progress tracked. Okay, so these are the different JIRA usage, like storage created, tasks assigned, defects logged, and sprint progress tracked. Okay. Defect report fields in JIRA. Summary, that is short defect title. So summary is short defect title. Description, detailed issue. Steps to reproduce, how to reproduce. Severity, impact level. Okay, severity is impact level. So summary is short defect title. Description, detailed issue. Steps to reproduce, how to reproduce. Severity is impact level. Priority, urgency. Attachment, screenshot or logs. Then sample bug report. Login fails with valid credentials. Steps, let's open application, enter valid credentials, click login. Okay, open application, enter valid credentials and click on login. So actual result will be error displayed. Expected result, dashboard should open. Okay, Then JIRA dashboards. JIRA dashboards used to monitor sprint progress, open defects, team workload, burn down charts. Okay, so these are the JIRA dashboards. So JIRA dashboard monitors sprint progress. It will basically monitor the sprint progress, open defects, team workload, and burn down charts. Okay, these are the things we can monitor in JIRA dashboards. Then integration with automation. JIRA integrates with Jenkins, GitHub, Selenium. Okay, so JIRA integrates with Jenkins, GitHub, and Selenium. So real-time testing workflow. First one is requirement, then test case creation, test execution, defect logging in JIRA, developer fix, and retesting. Okay, so first thing is requirement. Then test case creation, test execution, defect logging in JIRA, developer fix, then retesting. Okay. What are the advantages of JIRA? Easy defect tracking, agile support, better collaboration, real-time reporting, workflow customization. Okay, these are the advantages of JIRA. Advantages of JIRA is easy defect tracking, agile support, better collaboration, real-time reporting, workflow customization. So these are the advantages of JIRA. So in interview, you can ask, in interview you can get questions like what is bug life cycle? So you can tell that process followed by defect from identification to closure. That is called bug life cycle. Okay. Difference between severity and priority. Severity is impact, priority is urgency. Okay, severity is the impact of the application, priority is urgency to fix. Okay. What is JIRA? Agile project management and defect tracking tool. So JIRA is a agile project management and defect tracking tool. Okay. What are common bugs? What are common bug statuses? So common bug statuses are new, open, fixed, retest, and closed. Okay, these are the common bug statuses like new, open, fixed, retest, and closed. So you can say that bug life cycle defines the stages a defect goes through from reporting to closure, and JIRA is commonly used for agile project management and defect tracking. Okay, so bug life cycle defines the stages a defect goes through from reporting to closure, and JIRA is commonly used for agile project management and defect tracking. Okay, so in one line you can tell bug life cycle manages defect tracking from creation to closure, while JIRA helps teams manage agile workflows and bugs efficiently. Okay, bug life cycle manages defect tracking from creation to closure. JIRA helps teams manage agile workflows and bugs efficiently. Okay, that's it for this session. I will come up with next session with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.